Hi everyone, I'm just sharing some photos and a video clippy of the beautiful dresses my sister made for my birthday for my dolls. This is one of my favorite dresses. I love the pink and white. This is also one of my favorite dresses, and this prop with the flowers my sister also sent me for my birthday. I love this cute little dress. It is so cute and neatly done. If you look closely in the flowers, you see a little snail. This beautiful dress and ball was also part of the gift my sister sent me. A nice Barbie beach ball. I love the dress that is made of two different kind of materials. A little bit of furry material, fleece material, and some cotton material as the skirt. It is so beautiful and my Barbie looks beautiful. This cute little short dress is like a little school dress and it's beautiful. You can wear it as a top or you can wear it just as a little dress. Also in the gift I got little scissors and a beautiful lamp. My Barbie loves it. And of all, I am so grateful that Jetta made my Cindy a nice hand. The son made me a beautiful hand for my Cindy. Her hand was missing and she needed a hand, and now she's complete. Thank you, and thank you for all the nice gifts. Our generation dress and the smart doll dress I will show in my next video. Have a lovely evening. Bye. Also, my next video, I will share the nice shoes my sister made for my dolls. Have a lovely day. And from all of us, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.